What's going on, guys? Check out the latest addition to my Tesla garage with this retractable vacuum cleaner by Giraffe tools. This vacuum cleaner mounts to the wall just like their pressure washers, making the cleanup process easier with its wireless on and off switch and easy to remove dust tray at the bottom. I was previously using this shop vac in my cabinet, but now with this wall mounted vacuum, it's always ready to go for a quick cleanup. The hose is 30 feet long and can be used for both wet and dry conditions. It also comes with 6 different nozzles for various cleanups. Simply give the hose a light pull and it will automatically arrange itself neatly. The unique retractable guidance system can roll up the hose neatly without kinking. Doing a quick unboxing, we can see it comes with a mounting template and all the various tools and accessories needed to install this to the wall. When unclipping the orange tabs at the bottom of the vacuum, we will find even more vacuum nozzles and 2 mounting brackets with the wall attachment. This comes with a HEPA grade filter and also a sponge filter for water use. It's important to note when using this vacuum for water to switch out the correct filters to ensure we don't damage the HEPA filter with the water. There are replacement filters for purchase on Giraffe Tools website if needed. To install this, first place the mounting brackets on the wall, preferably over a stud, to ensure this vacuum will not tear off the wall. The box does come with drywall screw anchors, but if you can mount this onto a stud, that would work best. I pre-drilled 4 holes for the 2 brackets needed to mount this vacuum. This kit does come with 4 screws per mounting bracket, but because I placed this onto a wooden stud, I did not feel the need to mount all 8 screws. The face plates are very sturdy with only the 2 screws I placed on each one. Use a level to ensure the vacuum will not be crooked. Once those brackets are mounted, you're going to want to place the vacuum over the top of the brackets and it slides right onto the back plates. The rubber blocks on the mounting brackets help minimize the vibration when using the vacuum. Once it's on the wall, simply plug it in and then install this silencing sponge on top by turning it into place, and then install this optional mounting bracket on the side to hold the end nozzle. Next, to mount this nozzle attachment holder, find a stud in the wall to minimize the use of screws. Use your stud finder and level to place this in your desired location. Once on the wall, clip on all the attachment holders to finally place all the vacuum attachments on it. And that's it for the install. As you can see, it's as easy as pulling out the vacuum hose to the desired length, and then the vacuum hose will auto lock. Choose an attachment to place on the nozzle and then turn on the vacuum with the wireless switch at the end of the hose. You don't even need to be at the actual vacuum to turn it on and off, which I really like. When done vacuuming, make sure to leave it on for a few more seconds to ensure all the debris is out of the hose. Remember, it's 30 feet long. Then pull on the hose and the reel will start to retract back to the unit. Guys, this could not be any easier to use. I was trying to get this vacuum for a few months now, but it's been out of stock until now. This is going to be awesome since I also have garage floor tiles that need to be vacuumed every so often. The suction on this is quite impressive. As you can see, it can clean up the dirt pile under my tiles. Just a regular cleaning in the Tesla works really well too. As you can see, the front driver's side took only a few moments. Finally, to remove the dirt in the tray, just unclip the sides and the tray drops down to empty out the contents. I could not find anything else on the market that comes close to this type of layout. There are other garage vacuums on the market, but they do not auto retract. What sets this apart is the ease of use by quickly vacuuming and then auto retracting it back to the reel. It just gives it that clean, organized look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. You can find the link for this in the description and comment section below. My name is Evan. Until the next one, see ya.